Get grammar. The rain hasn't stopped. At the weekend, Hammy usually stays at home and relaxes. But this morning, he's shopping in town. Hammy's day started early. He had breakfast and then he walked to the bus stop. While he was waiting for the bus, it started to rain. It's now 1:55. Hammy's been in town for 3 hours, and the rain hasn't stopped. What have you bought, Hammy? Some sunglasses? And a swimming costume? But it's raining, Hammy. Hammy says it will be sunny this afternoon. He's going to go to the beach with Fluffy. They're meeting at 2 o'clock. Are you sure, Hammy? It's 2 o'clock. Here's Fluffy. And here's the sun. Wow! Have a great time at the beach, Hammy and Fluffy. Bye! Talking about the present. Present simple. Present continuous. Talking about the past. Past simple. Past continuous. Talking about the present and the past. Present perfect. Talking about the future. Will. Going to. Present continuous.